Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I baked and decorated this birthday cake from A to Z. So if this is a video you would want to watch, please stick around. For the flavors I used milk exotic and vanilla flavor. If you don't want to use milk exotic or vanilla flavor, you can go ahead and use any other type of flavor you want to use, okay? So guys, right here are all the ingredients I'll be using to bake this cake, okay? I've listed all the measurements I'm going to be using in the screen. You can see it in your screen, okay? What I'm using in this recipe is a cake flour, and I've shared a video on how to make a cake flour for yourself without buying from the market. I'm going to leave the link of that particular video in the description box, okay? Please guys, make sure you are using fresh egg from the farm, okay? The quality of your egg determines the outcome of your cake. If you're not using a good quality product or maybe a good quality egg, your cake is not going to come out fine, okay? Make sure you are using fresh egg. So right inside my stainless bowl, I will go ahead to add in the 250 grams of margarine, okay? Don't forget, if you have a mixer, you can use your mixer to mix, okay? And if you don't have a mixer, this video is dedicated to you, okay? Even if you don't have a mixer or an oven, you can still bake your creamy and yummy cake, okay? You can see what I'm using. I'm using my candle rolling pin and my stainless bowl. I just added 1 cup of sugar into the margarine. After creaming it for like 2 to 3 minutes, you go ahead to introduce the sugar into the margarine, and you will continue to cream until it is pale, light and fluffy. If you are watching this video and you have not subscribed to this channel, I don't know what you are waiting for. This is the right time for you to subscribe to this channel, because we have amazing recipes to share with you, okay? For my returning subscribers, I want to use this medium to say thank you so much for always coming back to watch our video, okay? Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video, because someone in your community might need this video, okay? Help me share this video so that other people can as well benefit from this video. Hey guys, you can see to yourself that the margarine is light and fluffy. Make sure you cream your margarine to be light, fluffy, and you can see that. You can see how it is. Remember, if you don't want to stress yourself for this particular recipe, I've also shared a recipe you can make without creaming your butter and sugar. That recipe is called all-in-one method. You can check in the description box for the link of that video. I'm going to set the butter aside, and I will go ahead to whisk my egg until everything is well fluffy. So guys, you will go ahead to add the egg, mix together, and you alternate it with your flour. Continue doing this and make sure you end it with the egg mixture, okay? I didn't use milk for this particular recipe. Hey guys, you can see that our cake batter is ready. You can see how creamy this cake batter is looking. It is looking so creamy and so fluffy, okay? So I will go ahead and set it aside and I will grease my baking pan, okay? I'm going to be using 8 inches baking pan for this recipe. I'm going to be using two 8 inches. I'll go ahead to grease everything properly. If you have flour, you can dust with flour after greasing with margarine, okay? So guys, you can go ahead to divide the cake batter into 2 equal parts, or maybe you can divide it as you want. If you don't want to use an 8 inches pan, you can go ahead and use maybe 6 inches pan, or maybe any size or shape of pan you want to use, okay? So guys, go ahead and bake your cake for 30 to 35 minutes, okay? Wow, here we are. Our cake is properly baked and you can see it is looking sweet and yummy. So guys, for the decoration, we are going to be using 250 grams of margarine and 1 kg icing sugar. Feel free to use any product of icing sugar you want to use, okay? Don't forget to sieve your icing sugar to remove lumps and other things that are not good inside the pack, okay? Make sure you sieve, and don't forget to add your vanilla flavor or maybe any flavor of your choice into the buttercream, okay? If you want to add milk, you can go ahead to add milk into your buttercream, okay? So guys, here we are. Our buttercream is ready. You can see that, okay? Now we are going to go ahead in cake decorating, okay? The first thing I will do is to sandwich my cake board with butter icing. The reason why I'm doing this is if I am decorating the cake will not be dancing up and down. And the buttercream on the board will also help to secure the cake, okay? So that while on transit, the cake will not be moving up and down. That is the reason why I sandwich the board with a little butter icing. Go ahead, feel free to add milk into your butter icing if you want to add milk. I didn't add milk into this butter icing. What I added was 2 tablespoons of water, okay? Feel free to add any flavor of your choice. What I used in this is vanilla flavor, but you can feel free to go ahead and add butterscotch flavor, strawberry, any other flavor of your choice, or you want to add, you can go ahead to add it into the buttercream, okay? For this particular process, it is a gradual process. Buttercream decoration is not as easy as ABC. You need to exercise patience. You need to keep doing it gradually until you are able to achieve whatever you want to achieve on the cake. Okay, you need to take your time in this process. It's not like fondant decoration that you just roll out your fondant and you will cover. For some people that are into cake decoration, buttercream is easy for them to decorate. For some people, they find it difficult to decorate buttercream cake. Okay, but this video is a guide for beginners that find it difficult to decorate buttercream cake. All you need to do is to exercise patience and keep working on your cake. At the end of the day, you will come out with a fantastic and a beautiful yummy cake. For me, I'm not a fan of buttercream cake. I love decorating fondant cake more than buttercream cake. As you can see, I am still struggling to be perfect with this, okay? But for the purpose of this video is for beginners who have not decorated cake before or who don't know how to decorate cake with buttercream. This video is a guide for you to bake and decorate from A to Z. Okay, I am not an expert in this buttercream decoration, but we are moving gradually to the permanent side. Okay. So after the first coating with the butter icing, remember you have to coat it again for the second time for you to get a perfect and a smooth look. Okay, after the first stage of coating, you will go ahead and coat it for the second time. Okay, there's another method too for this buttercream decoration, which I'm going to share in my next video. Another way of covering your cake with buttercream without using spatula. I think that method, they usually use their piping bag to pipe it around, then you scrape everything off. In my next video, I'm going to share that method. Okay. I will go ahead with my scraper to scrape off the excess butter icing on the cake. Okay. I will go ahead with the cake comb to comb the cake. Okay. There are a lot of designs or different designs of cake comb in the market, depending on the one you have and maybe the one you want to work with. Okay, so this is what I have and this is what we are going to be working with on this cake. Go ahead to play around with it, comb your cake until everything is fine and looking beautiful. Okay, just play around with the comb. Okay, so at this point, you can add any color of your choice. So maybe any color that you're working with, you can go ahead to add in the color in the remaining butter icing for piping session. Okay, here I have my piping bag and my nozzle. What I'm using in this video is called 1M. This particular nozzle is called 1M. I think it's the most popular nozzle in the market or maybe in the industry. So this is 1M. You can use it to create a lot of designs or maybe different designs on your cake. So you can go ahead to pipe it around. Okay, you have to do it gradually, little at a time. Okay, just play around with it and pipe your cake. Okay, so if you are still watching this video, to this point, I really want to appreciate you, and I believe you have learned one or two things from this particular video. Don't forget to share this video to your loved ones, or maybe people that are still aspiring to go into baking, or baby bakers, people that are still learning or coming up in the baking industry. Please share this video to them. This video can guide them on how to bake and decorate a simple birthday cake. Okay. So here we go. Here inside the bowl, inside the plate, I have my gold dust and my spirits. I will go ahead to play around with it on the cake. Okay, this is called gold splash. Okay, you just go around and splash the gold on the cake. Okay. So right here I have my happy birthday cake topper. I will go ahead to open it up and I will place it on the cake. Okay, feel free to place it anywhere you want to place it on the cake. Okay, but make sure it is sitting pretty well. Okay, you can see that. If you don't want to use this type of happy birthday cake topper, remember I've shared a video on how to make happy birthday toppers for yourself and save some money buying it in the market. I'll go ahead to add flowers on the cake, and I will also go ahead to add some sugar sprinkles on the cake. Feel free to decorate your cake with whatever you want to decorate it with. Okay, feel free to add cherry if you have cherry. Feel free to add chocolate and other beautiful things that will make your cake look beautiful and sweet. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video up to this time. I really do appreciate you, and I will see you in my next video.